Hello everyone, again very good evening to all of you guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So again, welcome to Oliveboard with the SSC CGL mock analysis, right? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and just confirm whether I'm properly audible as well as visible to each and everyone. Am I properly audible, visible to each and everyone? Am I properly audible, visible to each and everyone? Just confirm this once. Just confirm this once. This one. रुको. So first question is this one, sir. Chalo, sir. Everyone, am I audible, visible? Just a quick confirmation. Just a quick confirmation. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Now, yes, Reena. Yes. Exactly. Tomorrow is, according to our calendar, it's the first, the Bengali calendar. Chalo. Don't worry, my classes will go on. I'll not take a leave or anything. I'll take the classes. So tomorrow also NTPC mock analysis I'll take 100%. Sir, this one, first question, sir. First question. Sir, this is definitely just by looking at these values, one can say, sir, this is, we are dealing with what? Complementary angles. So let's do this, sir. 6, sir, this is, if I keep this in complementary angles, what we need to do? We need to keep one, change the other. Change the other one, sir. The 629 can be written as 90 minus 29. Sorry, 90 minus 61. देखो मैंने ना मैं पागल हूँ. So 90 minus 61, right, sir? So meaning I can write tan square 90 minus 61 degree means, sir, cot square 61. So it is cosec square 61 degree minus cot square 61 degree, sir, which is equal to, sir, 1. So ultimately there is a 6 multiplied. So this whole part is equal to 6, sir. 6 into 1 is 6. Plus y into this is how much, sir? Sir, cot 54, cot square 36 ko I can write as tan square 54, because same logic, sir. 54 and 36, they are complementary angles, and cot into tan cancels each other. So this is also 1. So y into 1, it is equal to y divided by 4 given. So this is your equation. Let's write it now, sir. So 6 is equal to, if I keep y to that side, it will be, sir, minus 3y by 4. Y minus y by 4. So this is 2, sir. Y is equal to, sir, minus 8. The value of y is equal to minus 8. That will be my answer. वो देखो option number 4. Option number 4, minus 8 will be our correct answers. Yes, everyone. Reena, you are again correct. Option number 4, minus 8 will be the correct answer, sir. That is the correct answer, sir. That is your correct answer. Let's move on to the next one. Let us move on to the next one. So second question. Sir, this one, everybody, I hope, can see. I hope everybody can see this. Right, sir? Next question, sir. Next question. If decreasing 120 by x% gives the same result as increasing 70 by x%, then whatever. So ultimately from this relation, I need to figure out the value of x. 120 decreased by x%, meaning, sir, 120 into, if I decrease 120 by x%, it will be, sir, 100 minus x. Percentage means, sir, by 100. That will be equal to increasing 70 by x%. Sir, that means 100 plus x. Percentage means by 100, sir. 100 cancels. 0 gone, sir. So 1200 minus 12x is equal to 700 plus 7x, sir. So 19x, it is equal to, sir, 500. Bapre. So the x is equal to 500 by 19. चलो ठीक है 30 अच्छा तब तो सही है x% of this sir x means this sir 500 by 19 percentage means 2 zeros more into sir 38 sir perfect so 19 twos are this so 5 twos are 10 is the answer sir 5 twos are 10 is the answer option number 1 option number 1 10 is the answer study for success yes you are absolutely correct once again you are again once again 100% correct brother everyone clear sir everybody clear sir very simple Reena yes you are also correct perfect perfect sir so the answer is option A sir option A is the answer for this question now a dealer mixes two varieties of rice रुको ना और एक छोटा और थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं sir now we can see a dealer mixes two varieties of rice worth 40 and 50 and 60 in this ratio 1:1 अच्छा तब तो बढ़िया है so cost price will be 60 plus 40 by 250 rupees अरे वो भी दे ये क्या क्वेश्चन हुआ sir cost price is given he sells it at this profit sir this is we do not even need CP is given SP is given profit percentage they are asking CP given SP given profit they are asking sir so profit is 50 CP SP like 60 so 10 rupees profit sir out of always CP is 50 sir sir for percentage you multiply 100 that's your answer sir 1 by 5 means at 20 so answer is at 20% again you do not need pen or paper for this question you do not need pen and paper for this question. Reena, you are again absolutely correct. Again, you are 100% correct. Very, very, very simple question. Very simple question, right? Moving on, sir. Moving on. Chords का question है, sir. चलो, sir. Two chords ST and UV. Sir, extended. चलो, sir. Circle बनाओ. Looks like a tangent, like the second theorem question. Two chords, they meet at some point. X. Chords are ST and UV. Okay. UV is 8. UV is 8 centimeter. ST is 22 centimeter. SX, the whole thing is 30. Okay, sir. So that means this is 8, sir. Everybody should say this. Total 30, sir. This much 22. This is 8, sir. 100%. Now, length of XU, meaning, sir, they're asking this length. They are asking us this length. Okay, I'll not take this length. I'll take this as X. This much I'm taking as X, sir. What will happen? The second theorem, we all know second theorem. Second theorem is saying what? Second theorem is saying, sir, this into the whole equal to this into the whole from the like similarity. So I can write 8 this into the whole. Whole means a 30, sir. Arey yaar. That will be equal to, sir, this thing that is x into the whole will be, sir, x plus 8. Because this whole thing is x plus 8. That is what we need to find. Sir, x into, sir, x plus 8, sir. Right? Sir, do not solve. Please do not solve, sir. X into x plus 8, na, sir. Sir, this thing, please try to break it down, these two things. So this means 2 into 2 into 2. And sir, one thing I can take the help of options as well, honestly. Chalo, let's see. Still we'll see. And this is a 2 into 3 into 5. 6, 5, yes, sir. Sir, again, using this better option than using this, sir, they are asking us to figure out x plus 8. That means this is x plus 8 values are given here. I have to check, sir, which x plus 8 value, if I put here, that will satisfy this equation. That will satisfy this equation, sir. Let's see now, sir. Sir, x plus 8, I cannot put 30 because if I put 30, the other x value is 8. Cannot happen, sir. 25 also will not happen because that like even odd thing. 20 or 24 can be the answer. 20, let's see, na, sir. If I put this as 20, so this will be then, sir, 12. 12 into 20 is 240. Sir, you see, 3 into 8, that is also 240. So 120% my answer is option C, that is 20. 180% my answer is option C, that is 20, sir. Again, what more you could have done? Sir, you can, using all these fractions, 4 2s, 1 3, 1 5, you can arrange it in some way so that this thing happens. Some number into some number where the difference between the numbers are 8. So that also we could have done. That also we could have very handsomely done. So it would have been, in this case, I could have written as 12 into 20, sir. So the bigger number is 20, so that will be my answer. That will be my answer. Option number, sir, C. Sumer, again, perfect. Reena, perfect. Very, very, very good. Very, very, very good, everyone. Very, very, very good, all of you guys. Chalo, sir. So 20 is the correct answer, sir. And again, if you guys are liking the session, please do hit the like, so it gives the session a little bit more reach. ये थोड़ा और reach देता है, sir. ठीक है? चलो, sir. Sir, speed of a ship in still water is 7. Stream is given. So I know downstream, upstream, everything. Ship rose to a place at a distance of 12 kilometers and comes back. Achha, sir. Whenever you see this type, goes to a place and then comes back. Meaning, sir, one direction is downstream, another direction is upstream. We don't need to know which one is downstream, which one is upstream. We can say, sir, one direction is downstream, another one is upstream. So downstream 20 kilometer, upstream 20 kilometer, downstream 20, upstream 20. So distance by speed. So downstream speed will be x plus y, 7 plus 3, 10, sir, plus. Upstream will be, sir, 7 minus 3, x minus 5, sir. So direct kar de. Sir, it will be, sir, 7 minus 3 means, sir, 4. That is the total time, sir. Total time. Distance by speed time, distance by speed is time. Total time will be, sir, this. So 2 plus this is 5. So answer will be, sir, 7 hours. The answer will be, sir, 7 hours. Option number A. Option number A, sir. Reena, artist, Sumer, yes, everyone. Each and every one of you guys are 100% correct, sir. 100% correct, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Next one, sir. Next one. Infinitely many solutions. Again, I have chilla ke maine bataya. In the sets also I've done this. In the sets also I've done this. I've given you the explanation. This infinite many solutions mean one line is lying on top of the other line. Right? So meaning, sir, all the ratios are equal. X ratio is this, sir. M minus 3 divided by here, X ratio is M minus 1. That will be equal to Y ratio here, sir, minus 8 divided by, so this is minus M plus 5. That will be, sir, again, so this one, sir, it is in this side, remember this, and this is, this is in the right side, so I have to bring it here, so it will become minus 24 equal to 0. So again, I'll write, sir, 2 into M plus 1 divided by, sir, minus 24. If you miss this, that is a garbar. Now again, why I am saying this, please understand, I need the value of M. I need the value of M here. Listen to me when I say this. Please listen to me when I say this. Sir, you understand? So I can either take these two, sir. I can either take, sir, these two, or I can either take these two. Now, sometimes, is there any way I can avoid the quadratic? No, sir. You cannot avoid the quadratic. But still, what I'll say, you see, I was trying, you generally need to do. Let's see, artist, let's see. Sumer, acha, last wala question, last wala, it's okay. It's, or ye wala, if whatever it is, please understand. So my objective is, can I choose like in such a manner where I can avoid my quadratic? You see, if I take this into this, say cross multiplication gives me quadratic. If I take this into this, say cross multiplication gives me quadratic. If I take this into this, again sir, cross multiplication gives me quadratic. So there is, in this question, most of the question you will be able to find a way, like way, or figure out a way where you can avoid the quadratic, because quadratic equation takes time to solve. But here that is not the case. Again sir, if we need to solve quadratic, can I again calculate a little faster? Sir, I can see if I take this one and this one, a minus b into a plus b, calculation will be a little faster, sir. Let's take that. So if I multiply this, sir, first things first, a gone, this is gone, sir. This 12 into this, so 12m minus 3 into 12, sir, 36. This side, sir, it will become, sir, m square minus 1. Sir, m square minus 12m plus 35. Sir, value of m is coming out to be, sir, 5 and 7. Now again, how to figure it out in 10 seconds? There are multiple methods. You see, 5 7s are 35, 5 plus 7 is 12 actually. So the value of m is 5 and 7, and they are saying m is positive. M is positive. So only one option is there, sir. Only one option is there. So that will be, sir, 7. So my answer to this question will be, sir, option number 1, that is 7. Now you may ask, sir, why not 5? Because when you solve the other quadratic, 5 may not be there in the option. 5 may not be there in the option. That is why they have like eliminated that 5. But again, we can only be sure once we solve this. But again, we have got our answer. Why go and do all those stuff? Why go and do all those stuff? Clear, sir? Achha, this question. Now you can solve, no, brother. Now you can solve, Sumer. Now you can solve, I hope. Right? Okay, sir. Ye dekho, 7 answer. Perfect. So again, not a very difficult question. Achha. Yes, perfect. Chalo, sir. Production sales. Difference between the number of unsold plates and the number of unsold bottles is X. Find whatever. Some, like, I need to figure out this X. Sir, production means how many were made. Sales means how many were sold. So minus, if I do, I'll get unsold now. If I do this minus this, it will give me unsold. But again, data picking is something that is most important. So I will pick the data only for plates and bottles. So plates and bottles. So 256 minus 20, like 207. 56 minus 7, that is a 49. Bottles are 110 minus 55, it's a 55. So total, difference is X. Difference is, sir, 6. So 2 into 6, 12 plus 3, that is 15 is the answer, sir. They are asking us about that. Sir, option number A, 15 is your correct answer, sir. Yes, again, Reena, Artis, Sumer, you guys are all correct. Absolutely correct. Very, very simple. Very, very, very simple question, sir. Sir, 15 is the correct answer. 15 is the correct answer, sir. Now, next one, sir. Next one, sir. The base of a right prism is an equilateral triangle if the height is increased by 8 times. So remember, for any 3D figure having uniform cross-sectional area, uniform CS area, meaning whether you cut from the middle, whether you cut from the bottom, whether you cut from the top, the area, cross-section area is always same. So prism is one such type of thing. So there, sir, the volume formula is, sir, area of the base, always in anything, into height, sir. The same can be followed in any kind of like 3D structure having uniform cross section, be it cylinder. You see, in cylinder, the base is a circle, area is pi r square into height, pi r square h formula. You take a cuboid, you take a cube, everywhere this particular thing works. And the similar formula is there for CSA, curved surface area, as well. Okay. Now, if you do that, so sir, initial, final. Sir, what has happened? Sir, it has happened. So height is increased by 8 times. So if height was 1, now it is, sir, 8. Area of the each side of the base has doubled. Sir, area, please understand, if the base side of the base is doubled. Now, area of the base, if it is an equilateral triangle, the formula is root 3 by 4 into a squared, sir. This squared being most important. So that means if it is doubled, so if it was 1, sir, so it was 1 square, root 3 by root 3, like root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4 cancels actually because we are taking ratio. So it is now, if it is double, that means if it was 1, now it is 2. So it is 2 square. Sir, everything else was, sir, constant. Everything else cancels. So the ratio will be, sir, this. So meaning, sir, 1:32. वही पूछा है ना, sir? Ratio of the old to the new volume. Sir, option number B is your answer, sir. It should not take you more than 10 seconds. It should not again take you. Yes, Reena, I've taught this ratio technique in classes, in the paid classes, I guess countless times. I told you, do not use anything else. Go by concept. Go by concept. That is the fastest way to do and most apt way to do. Clear, sir, everyone? Clear, everyone? Everybody clear, sir? Anyone having any issue? Please feel free to ask. Feel absolutely free to ask. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free. Please ask. Everybody. Everyone, please ask. If not, moving on, sir. Acha, sir. Comparison of powers. Sir, it is very simple. It is very simple. In indices, I told you guys this thing. Sir, 200 you see powers. 200, 400, 800. Divide by the HCF, or here in this case, the smallest power. So that means if I do that, say A, I'm taking, na, sir. A can I write 20 to the power 200, sir. You see what I'm writing or what I'm doing, sir. B becomes, sir, 10 to the power 2 to the power 200. Can I do this, sir? Why? Because 400 means 2 into 200, sir. Indices rule. Sir, C I can write, sir, this is 6 to the power 4 times 200, sir. Now, what have I done? I have made sure all the powers are equal. Please understand. Please understand. If x to the power a and y to the power a is there. Sir, if I say this is greater, when can that happen? Sir, it can only happen when the base is greater than this, meaning when x is greater than y. Or the I can draw the like opposite conclusion as well. Meaning, sir, if I say 10 to the 10 is greater than 7, so if I take a power on 10 and if I take the same very power on 7, so 10 to the power, that power will always be greater than 7 to the power same power. No, sir. Think normally. Think just using a little bit of your common sense. It will always happen. It will always happen, like no rocket science here. So that means now you see, you tell me, sir, this one's greater. Tell me, sir, this one's greater, or this one's greater? Sir, ये तो 20, this is 100, sir. And this is a 6 to the power 4 means 1296, 36 square. 36 square, sir. Sir, B, this is greater. Then comes this, then comes this. So C will be greatest, then B, then A. That is your answer. CBA, CBA, CBA. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Absolutely clear. Artist thoda गड़बड़ हो गया. But again, like I don't know which method, like which sign you have used, so I don't know actually. I do not actually know. Everyone, a quick yes or no? I got a call. Chalo, 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 sir. Next question then. So this was the correct answer for this question. Next one, sir. अरे ये तो बहुत simple है. So this is a very important concept I can discuss here for this question. Sir, please understand here. Please understand over here. So this is amount given. This is also amount given. Sum becomes this much. Meaning, sir, 5 years amount. Amount after 5 years is what, sir? Principal plus 5 years interest, no, sir? Because in case of simple interest, interest is always constant. Whatever is the interest in the first year, same is the interest in second year, same in third year, same in fourth year, same in 100 years. So 5 years, I is each year's interest. So please understand amount 3, sir, meaning A3, meaning 3 years amount. That is, sir, P plus 3 years interest, no, sir? Now, this is given as 6,000 rupees. This is given as 5,400 rupees. Always understand whenever you see this situation, be it simple interest, be it compound interest. Compound interest may, again, the difference should not be more than 1. But still, sir, you always take the difference. This is called method of difference actually. This is called method of difference. So you always take the difference. And you see a magic happens whenever you take the difference. Sir, what? Sir, P cancels each other. So principal is gone. Principal is cancelled, sir. So ultimately we get 5 year minus 3 year, meaning, sir, 2 years interest as 600 rupees or 1 year's interest as 300 rupees, sir. Now again, let me say this. I have just shown this to make you guys understand. You don't need to do this. You will say directly, sir, 6,000 is 5 years amount, 5,400 is 3 years amount. So minus, if I do, 600 is 2 years interest, because principal cancels each other, sir. Because, sir, principal and principal cancels each other. So again, it's very, very simple now. So let's take which one, sir? Let's take this one, sir. I want to figure out principal. Sir, every year's interest is 300 rupees. 5 years interest will be, sir, 1,500 rupees. So out of 6,000, 1,500 is interest. So principal will be how much, sir? 6,000. Amount minus interest you do, you'll get principal. That is, sir, 4,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number 1 will be the correct answer. Again, Reena, Sumer, you guys are 100% correct. 100% correct. But again, this logic you please understand. This is more important than one single question. Perfect, everyone? Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. A train का क्या दिया है, sir? 300 meter long crosses a man 9 kilometer. Train ka speed is this. Distance, same direction, sir. Sir, again, sir, I need time. How long? So time is, sir, distance by speed. Distance is how much, sir? Sir, if it wants to cross the man, it needs to cross its own length. Distance is its own length, sir, 300 meters. By speed, sir. Speed is 50. Again, same direction. Both are moving. I need relative speed. Relative speed is, sir, 54 minus 9. That is 45, sir. 45 kilometer per hour, sir. But again, sir, meter per second I need to convert. That is 5 by 18. So that will be the time. Sir, 18 को इस तरफ चला दो. What other 9 2s are this? 9 5s are this. This 2 will go up. 300 into 2 by 25, sir. This is 12, sir. 24 seconds will be the correct answer. Option number D, sir. Option number D, sir. Sumer, not 20, brother, but 24. Not 20, but 24. Not 20, but 24, sir. Clear? Clear? Yes, Ravi, D is the correct answer, brother. Ravi, D is most definitely the correct answer. ये क्या है, sir? बहुत ही simple equation है. You see, this is very, very, very simple. Simple questions, keep it simple. It's okay, it's okay. Sumer, I have a very simple policy. You make as much mistakes as you want over here. It does not matter. Mocks are there for you to make mistakes, right? But again, remember, you should not like repeat your mistakes in the exam. Whatever mistake you are making, everybody makes, every one of us makes mistakes. It's okay. Do not just repeat it. That's all. That's all, brother. So 20 students average is this. New students of age 25 joins. Think like this, sir. If the new student had the age 15, then the average would have remained 15 only, sir. If that new student who has joined, his age was 15 years, then the average would have remained 15 only, sir. But it is not that. It is 25. That means, sir, 10 years more. It means, sir, 10 years more, sir. That is actually what we call a deviation. That is what we actually call a deviation. That much more. Now, in average, what happens? Whatever is the deviation, how much is more or less, that gets equally distributed among everyone. It gets equally distributed among everyone, sir. So what happen? What will happen, na, sir? 15 is this. So this extra 10 years, na, it will be equally distributed among 20 students, no, sir, 21 students. Because 20 students were there. Now a new student has joined. So again, sir, this is almost equal to 0.5. Because from the options, it is very evident. So my answer will be, sir, 15.5 kgs. New average will be, sir, option 1, because approximate word is there. Because approximate is there. Reena, Sumer, artist, yes brother, you all are correct. You all are correct. मैं आर्टिस्ट का फिर से नाम भूल गया. आर्टिस्ट ब्रदर, you told me your name. You told me actually your name. I completely forgot your name. अच्छा. So total number of students, okay. Difference between central angle difference, if they want, I do not need this value. Your value, the total value we don't need. Bengali and Hindi. Bengali 25. Bengali spelling is wrong. Being a Bengali, it hurts. Right? Acha, Hindi is, sir, this one, sir. That is 14%. So difference is, sir, 9%, sir. Sir, every percentage in pie chart is equal to 3.6 degrees, if you guys remember. Because 100% is equal to 360 degree, 1% is 360 by 100, which is 3.6 degree. So answer will be this. So this is 3 nines are 9s are 27 plus. This is 5.4. 6 nines are 554. So 32.4 degree will be the answer, sir. 32.4. Options तो दिख नहीं रहा है, sir. 32.4. Remember, once I do this, it will be gone. Samir, yes, Samir, brother. Samir, artist, yes. कितना था? 32.4 था ना? गलत हो गया क्या? 1 second. It was 9 degree, as I remember. Into, sir, 3.6 degrees. 27. 6 nines are 54. Am I right or am I right? 32.4 ही तो होना चाहिए भाई. Anyone? 11. अरे यार, sorry, yes. अरे मेरे को मर जाना चाहिए. देखो 25 minus 14 I have written 9. अरे पागल क्या मैं. Yes, brothers, you guys are correct. 11 into 3 points. ये तो बहुत सिंपल हो गया. So 393 actually, like 396. 39.6 degrees will be answer. Extremely sorry. Yes, Rajkamal, thank you, brother, thank you. Yes, Reena, 39.6 है क्या ऑप्शन में? देखते हैं सर, चलो. Yes है. Option number D. Option D, sir. Option D, sir. Transverse common tangent का length पूछा है, sir. So again, I told you guys two things. DCT is greater than TCT. So TCT value. अरे ऊपर क्यों चला गया? TCT is always equal to, sir, root over of D square minus R1 plus R2 whole squares. If it is minus, then it is DCT. It is TCT, transverse common tangent. If it is DCT, the only thing that changes is same thing. D square minus Instead of R1 plus, it will be R1 minus R2 whole square. That's the only change. Okay. That's given, sir. Distance is 73. R1 plus R2, sir. 27 plus 20, 57, sir. 58. Done, sir. Now, do not do normally, sir. It is 73 plus 58. And, sir, 73 minus 58, sir. बाप रे. Calculation तो करवाएगा ही, sir. 60, this is, sir, 15 minus. And plus 1 is how much? 73 and 50, sir. 123. 123, 131, sir. हाँ. कितना आ रहा है, sir? 7. 131, 131, 131. Have I made any error? No. $55 you guys are getting. 55. Then there has to be some problem, na? 48, not 50. अरे यार मैं ना पागल हूँ भाई, सॉरी. क्या कर रहा हूँ? What are you doing? Extremely sorry. मेरा दिन ही आज खराब है. This is 48 square. हाँ तब तो बढ़िया है सर. 25 into 121. Right? So it is equal to 5 into 11, sir. 55. 55, sir. Option D, sir. देखा? Yes, yes, yes. 55. Option D is the correct answer, sir. Option D. Again, DCT, if they ask, always remember this formula. And if two circles touches, the formula becomes, you guys know, na? 2 root R1 R2. The proof also I've shown you, I guess, in some questions. Like if you follow the classes regularly, you will get that. Sir, next one, sir. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B is 25% more efficient than A. If C alone takes 12 days to complete, then find how many days the work can be completed with all three of them working together. Sir, B is 25% more efficient. So that means, sir, B and A, efficiency ratio will be what, sir? The efficiency ratio will be, sir, B is more efficient, meaning, sir, if A does 4 units, B does, because 25% means, sir, 1 by 4. Meaning B in that case does 1 unit more, so B does this much, sir. B does, sir, this much. Okay? Time लेके तो कर सकते हैं LCM, but direct कर सकते हैं क्या? Yes, we can actually. So let's do one thing, sir. Then time ratio will be what, sir? Time ratio will be opposite, sir. 5:4. Now this much we know, sir. A takes 10 days. Then by this ratio, B will take how much, sir? B will take, sir, 8 days. And C actually takes 12 days. You see, it's very simple now. I know 3 times LCM method le lo, sir. Total work will be, sir, LCM of 10, 8, 12. 8, 10 and 12 will be, sir, 120 units. So efficiency of A will be how much, sir? Efficiency of A will be, A does, you see, this 120 units in 10 days. So A does 12 units a day, sir. Efficiency of B will be how much, sir? B does this 12, like 120 units in 8 days, sir. So this will be, sir, 15 efficiency of B. And for C, sir, C does 120 units in 12 days. So C does 10 units a day, sir. So now all three of them will work together. Total work, sir, 120. Efficiency, sir, add kar do. 15 and 20, 27, 37. I'm not making any error, na? एडिशन में नॉट एनी एरर. चलो शुक्र है. So 3 whole something, 3 whole 9 by 37. That is there in the options. Again, remember, very important value. You need everywhere. Just before this class, in my paid classes, I was saying this. 37 into 3 is 111. बहुत important value है, especially for the recurring fraction part. Remember this value, बहुत काम का चीज है. Ravi A is the correct answer, brother. Very, very good. Very, very, very good, brother. Very, very good, actually. Very, very good. Moving on, sir. Option 3 was the answer, correct answer in this case. Missing table, बढ़िया. Total number of marbles in all 4 jars is given as 2030. ठीक है सर, लिखते. The ratio of total number of marbles in jar B to that of jar C is 7:5. Total marbles in jar C. So 5 multiple, all are 5 multiple. चलो सर. jar B and jar C, sir. ठीक है. ठीक है सर. It's very simple actually. You see, this part is absolutely nothing to do with our question. Total is 2030, sir. Out of that, 430 gone, 400 gone, sir. It's very, very simple. 430 and 400 gone. That means the sum of these two places, B and C, total number of marbles, will be set 2030 minus 430 minus 800. That means minus 400 minus 830. That is at 1200. And that is in the ratio 700, like 7:5. Sir, very simply you can say this is 700, this is 500. Sir. वही तो पूछा है sir. वही तो they are asking. What is the number? So the answer is sir 500. Option B. Option B, 500 is most definitely your correct answers. Very, very, very simple question. Looks only difficult. Missing table DIs are like generally scary looking. Okay, but it is not very difficult. It is not very difficult. बाप रे, ये क्वेश्चन तो दिखना है. There are certain questions जो दिख के आपको लगता है this will be a good question. This looks like one of them. This actually looks like one of them. थोड़ा पढ़ लेते हैं सर. Sir, Nia purchased raw materials for a certain price to manufacture a product. Okay, certain price. However, 32.5% of the raw materials were wasted due to labor shortage. 80% of the cost of the raw materials used was added to this. 32.5%. Not a very good value. Nia could sell. ठीक है सर, चलो सर, let's understand sir. So raw materials, I'm taking sir 100 rupees. 100 rupees sir, okay, because no value is involved. I'm taking 100, not 100x. This much was wasted. This much was wasted. So like काम में कितना आया sir? Sir minus this, so it is 57.5%, like 5 rupees. This is used because rather the remaining 67 ना. मैं ना आज कुछ अलग ही दुनिया में हूं. I'm kind of in a separate world of mind. 67.5 rupees worth of product was kind of used. Sorry, but like this much was wasted, so this much was used. 80% of the cost of the raw materials used, 80% of this, 80% means 4/5, was added as the manufacturing cost. So this is your sir manufacturing cost. Okay, sir. Calculate करो ना sir. 5, 5, 5. 5 13s are 65, 25.5. Achha, this is 26 and 2, sir. Sorry, 52 and 2, sir. 54. So this is your manufacturing cost. It was added as this. So actual CP then is how much, sir? CP became, sir, 100 rupees plus the manufacturing cost of 54 rupees. So this is Nia's CP, sir. Now Nia is selling her product to overall profit of 25% after offering a discount of this. I told you, sir, whenever you see this line, you need CP, SP, MP if you don't want to use that 100 minus discount and 100 plus discount formula. If you do not want that formula to be used, sir, you need to do this normal calculation, sir. Sir, what do I know? I know, sir, 150 for this CP. Very good. What do I need, sir? MP I need. I need this value, sir. Chalo, theek hai, sir. Now, 25%, what is profit, sir? Sir, 25% profit means, sir, the selling price will be, sir, 5 by 4 times. It will be, sir, 5 divided by 4 times. Chalo na, sir. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 is divisible. Hai nahi, sir. It is 2. 2 sevens are this, 2 sevens are this. 77 times 5 by 2. This is the SP. Do not calculate, please. Please do not calculate. Now, sir, again, discount of 20%. Sir, what does it mean, sir? So, discount of 20% means, sir, if MP is 100 rupees, SP is, sir, 80 rupees. Can I say this? And the modular method that I've taught you guys, it is saying whatever value you have, write it down into you give a fraction. Sir, whatever this represents, that is the denominator. So this represents what? This represents SP, that is 80 rupees. Whatever you need, that will be numerator. I need MP. MP is 100 rupees. Done, sir. यही था calculation. 5 and 4, 5 and 4 वही हो गए. बाप रे. अच्छा, how many times the total cost of the raw materials? अच्छा, mark price. चलो सर, करना तो पड़ेगा. 77 into 25 by 8, sir. Sir, into 4 you do. But sir, that won't be. Calculation तो बहुत ही गंदा है, sir. Calculation, sir, is very, very, very bad. Right? Calculation तो अच्छा नहीं है. Still, let's do this then. This is 3 8s are this. 1 by 8 means 0.125. 77 into 1 to 3.125. So this is 77 times 3. 77 times 3 means, sir, 77 times 3. 7 means 21 times 11. 231, sir, right? 231 plus 77. रुक जाओ थोड़ा. 9 8s are 75. This is 72. 5 by 8. 0.5 some. Like this is 57 points. So 0.5 only I'm taking. I'm not taking the whole thing. Okay. It is 240.5. It is coming. It is coming out as 240.5. Acha, how many times? Acha. So how many times? Yeah, it's 2.4. So again, they're asking, please understand, cost of raw materials purchase, that was, sir, 100 rupees. They're asking this 240.5 is how much times of this 100. So it is 2.4 times approximately. Sir. Approximately, correct to 1 decimal place. Is 2.4 times. Actually, it will be 2.405 times. 2.4057.5 times actually. Okay, but again, the calculation was very, very, very tricky here. The calculation here was very, very, very tricky. This was a good question. This was a good question, complicated question. But again, if you know how to approach, I don't think it will be a very big issue. But again, it's a good quality question. Not a very simple question. Not a very simple question. 2.4 is the answer. Okay, sir. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Anyone, if you have a doubt, please do not shy away. Please ask. Sir, ये समझा नहीं, ये बता दीजिए. I'm absolutely okay with that. P and Q 5:3, 16 liters of Q added. अरे बहुत बढ़िया रेशियो दिया है सर. The ratio is, the given ratio is very, very good, sir. It is 5:3, sir. Now we have added something 16 liters of Q, and the ratio has become 5:4. Please understand the why I'm saying it's a good ratio, because you see we have not added any P, so P value has not changed. So that allows us the luxury of saying, sir, 1 unit directly is equal to 16 liters. Directly I can say 1 unit will be equal to 16 liters, sir, because you see 3 से ये 4 बन गया. From 3 it actually became 4. 1 unit increment. 1 unit increment. Why? Because we have added the 16 liter. That means that 1 unit is equal to 16. They're asking new total mixture. Sir, new total mixture means, sir, 5 and 4 total 9 units. So answer to your question will be, sir, 9 into 16, 144 liters. Please understand, because each unit is 16 liters, totals are 5 and 4, totals are 144 liters. Option number C is your correct answer. Yes, Rana, Reena, अरे बहुत बढ़िया दो नाम. Both of you guys are correct. Both of you guys are absolutely correct. Both of you guys are absolutely correct. 144 is the correct answer, sir. Moving on. Solve for x. Sir, I have again last day also I told you. Sir, whenever cos is equal to sine, tan is equal to cot, cosec equal to cos, meaning cosec equal to sec, meaning, sir, we are talking about complementary angles, and complementary angles means sum of this angle plus this angle has to be 90. Alpha plus beta has to be 90 degrees. Kaam khatam, paisa hazil. 3x is 120, x is 40, sir. Option number B. Option number B. Please explain previous question. Tulsha, which part you tell me? Acha, this one 40. Chalo, Tulsha is asking us for the previous question. This one, Tulsha, this one, 67th. Yes, this was a big question, Tulsha. Please understand. This had so many things at play. This had so many things at play. Chalo, और एक बार, I'm quite okay with doing this. So raw materials they has purchased, that Ria has purchased. Okay, so I'm taking raw materials that Ria has purchased is of 100 rupees. Please understand. However, this much of the raw materials were wasted. So how much they are in place, sir? How much was used, sir? 100 minus this much percentage, that is, sir, 67.5%. So meaning 60 is 100 rupees raw material, so 67.5 rupees worth of raw material that was used. That was and 80% of that, or 80% of raw materials used was added as a manufacturing cost. So manufacturing cost 80% means this. So this was coming out to be 54 as far as I can remember. This is manufacturing. This is manufacturing cost. Yes, you can do, you can. 3/8. No, that Reena, there's a problem. That is 37.5%. That is 3/8, Reena, not 32.5. अगर होता तो मैं वही लेता. Reena, this is the small mistake, small mistake. Looks very similar, right? You cannot. So again, this is manufacturing. So CP total for NIA is what's it? Raw materials plus manufacturing, that is 154 rupees. 100 rupees raw materials, 54 rupees manufacturing. Totals are 154, right? Now what they're saying, NIA now wants to sell at a profit of 25% after allowing a discount of 20%. So CP, SP, MP. These three things we need. Okay. Now, yes. Tulsha, if you want, sir, if you do not know the modular technique, na, There are multiple another, like other ways to go about this. If you see CP, SP, MP mentioned in same question, you need the relation between CP and MP somehow. Understand, SP is your common friend. SP is someone who is related to CP as well as MP. So दोनों तरफ से, from both the sides you get to SP and equate there. You see na? Sir, 154 is the CP, sir. How much profit, sir? Profit is 25%. Meaning, sir, 125% will be SP, sir. 125% means, sir, 5 divided by 4. This is SP, na, sir. From here, I don't do MP. I'm taking MP is 100x, sir. Okay. I'm taking MP is 100x. So discount of 20%. Sir, SP will be what, sir? SP will be 80x, 20% discount. Sir, both are equal. If you don't want to do this, you can go like this. From there also, you will find the MP. MP will be what? Sir, you see, MP, for getting MP, you need 5 by 4. You see, 18 to 5 by 4 is 100. So either be a 5 by 4 से multiply कर दो. That will give you your answer. So ये करोगे तो this is coming out to be 240.5 almost. Tulsha, please understand. So now they are asking that this MP is how many times of the this 100 value of the price of the total cost of raw materials purchased. So that was 100 rupees. This 240 is what percent, like what, how many times of 100? So it is nearest to 2.4%. Yes, Tulsha, you can do 100 minus discount by 100 plus discount if you know this. CP will be, sir, 100 minus discount by 100 plus discount. वो भी चलेगा, sir. But again, I told you, na, like I'm not a big fan of using formulas. That's the big problem, okay? But again, if you are comfortable there, absolutely, please go with that. I myself am not a big fan. क्योंकि ना, why I have my reasons कि you tend to forget, students tend to forget those things in the exam pressure में. So that is why I generally prefer not to use those, not to use formulas, rather go by concept. Sir, AB, अच्छा cosine rule, अच्छा चलो sir. Learn if you don't know already. ABC, sir, AB is 6, AC is 8. This is 60 degree. Find the length of BC using cosine rule. So remember one thing. Remember one thing. If you don't know what cosine rule is, sir, chalo theek. Generally opposite, this angle is called A, this angle is called B, this angle is called C. This is called properties of triangle actually. Okay? Now opposite to A angle, we call this side, length of this side as small a. And this one, sir, we call it B. This one, sir, we call it C. Now if you say, sir, cos A, what will be the value of cos A? Cosine rule. So you take B square plus C square minus A square. Meaning A opposite is A, that will be minus. Remaining 2 will be square. Divided by twice of B into C. If someone asks you, cos B, sir, what will that be, sir? Now, that means you will say, sir, minus B square I'll put. Because cos B, B opposite is, sir, B. So remaining you write C square plus A square by 2C. Whatever these two are, that will be there. Sir, again, by same logic here they're asking this length. I don't know, I'm taking X. Sir, cos 60, sir. This angle. Sir, opposite will be minus. So 6 square plus 8 square. Minus X square by 2 into 6 into 8, sir. So देखो equation बन गया sir हमारा. So 6 square and 8 square is 10 square, that is 100. So I can calculate it like this. Cos 60 is half, sir. Half into this 2 into 6 into 8. It will be 100 minus X square, sir. 2 gone, sir. So X square is, sir, 100 minus 48, that is 52, sir. X is root 52, 7 point something. Because root 49 is 7, So it will be, sir, 7 point something, sir. 7.2 is there in the option, I can see. Option number B is the answer. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Are Tulsha, no need to thank. Why thank you? ये तो मेरा काम है. This is my job only, na. The big thank you will be, say, if you clear the exam this year and let me know, sir, I've cleared it. That will be the biggest thank you that I can get. Clear, sir? This is cosine rule. Sir, done, sir. Now, right angle triangle कुछ भी तो दिया है. X, Y, Z. Sir, X, Y, Z. Right angled as X. Okay. X, Y, अरे तब तो बढ़िया है, sir. Sir, other angle is 45, means this is a right angle isosceles triangle, sir. This is nothing but a right angle isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal, sir. Sir, XZ is given as 5. So that means this is also 5, sir. They're asking YZ. So this is 5 root 2. Oh, we all know, sir. X and X. So this will be X root 2, sir. 5 root 2. Option C is the answer. Option C is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple question. As simple as it gets. Yes, Sumer, Reena, you guys are all correct. You guys are 100% correct. 5-digit number. This is divisible by what? 8. Chalo, sir. Smallest possible pair with only one number, na, sir. Sir, 8 means I need last 3 digits. X, 4, Y. Sir, always, na, in these questions, do not do anything. Do not, please do not do anything. You do not need to do anything, actually. You do not actually need to do anything. Go by the options. Answer as they are saying smallest. So from the option, start with the smallest one. If the question was biggest or largest, then we would have started with the largest option from here. So I would have taken 4 and 8 first, then 5 and 2, then 2 and 8, those type. But here they are saying smallest option is this. Let's see, sir. If I put 1, 4 and Y is 4. So is it divisible by 8? Yes, sir, absolutely divisible by 8. It is absolutely divisible by 8. That means this is 100% my correct answer. This is 100% my correct answer. Always take the smallest one from the options. If the question is largest, we'll start with largest. That much is needed. That much street smartness is only needed. I'm having with some issue with this. Your comments. Anira. Perfect. Perfect, sir. अरे आजा बेटा. Option A. A father divided values तो बहुत this much among his children in such a way PQR. अच्छा, that way 31 this and this subtracted from their shares. This becomes this sum of shares of Q and R. अरे कुछ नहीं चाहिए सर. कुछ नहीं चाहिए सर. रुको. अच्छा सर. Q and R only they are talking about. Na? Q and R means 15 and 8. But before that, we have to subtract 23 and 37. Totals are 60. Right? So, sir, if I need to subtract this, then it should be divisible by this. 15 plus 8. So, sum means, sir, 15 plus 8, 23. Think like this, sir. After subtraction, the ratio is 15 ratio 8. Only there is no P. P is not there, sir. P nahi hai. P mar gaya. So only Q and R we are talking about. And after subtracting 23 and 37, that ratio is divisible, like that is the ratio is 15 and 8. That means the sum should be divisible by 23 after we subtract this sum, that is 60, sir. Check the options. Check the options, sir. वो पूरा करना नहीं है, sir. 1380 ना, sir. 1380 minus 60 if I do, it is 1320. Is it divisible by 23? No, sir. It is not divisible by 23. 1440 minus 60 if we do 1380 sir, divisible by 23. 1510 minus 60 if I do 1550. Is it divisible? Sorry. 1450. And this if I do minus 60, that is 1432 sir. Check the option which is divisible by 23. Which is divisible by 23 sir. Sir, 138 is divisible by 23, right? 23, 138 is divisible. So that is my answer. 145 not divisible, sir. 1432 ये तो होगा ही नहीं sir. Option B is the only possible answer. Option B is the only possible answer, sir, in this case. हो गया sir काम. Sir, next one. Graphs. Bar graph. What is the difference between? What is the difference actually between total employees in a bank having highest number of employees from all towns together, okay, and the second lowest to the total employees in a bank having second lowest number of employees from all towns together? Okay sir, highest number of employees has to be, sir, just by looking I can say this is a bad, this is actually this one, right sir? This is bank C. Bank C, sir. 15 or rather 20 and 12 sir, 32, that is 41, right? And the second lowest के लिए तो देखना होगा भाई. Second lowest, lowest will be what? Let's figure out now all. C is this, otherwise it will eat our time. 12, 6, 18. Sorry, see, like 18 plus 7, sir, 25, 26, 29, sir. That is bank E. I'm not making any error. Do let me know if I make any error. 10 plus 10, 20. 2 plus 2 plus 4. 4, 4, 8, sir. 28, sir. मैंने बोला ना. C is the highest and second lowest is E, sir. So difference between total number of employees will be, sir, 12. Difference between the total number of employees. Town C. अरे सॉरी ब्रदर, सॉरी, देखो मैंने ही नहीं देखा. अरे यार, सॉरी. यस. ऑल थ्री टाउन्स एबीसी ना. सॉरी. मैंने देखा है बैंक्स एबीसी. मैंने नहीं देखा. माय मिस्टेक. Difference between total employees in a bank having the highest number of employees from all three towns. सबसे ज्यादा किसका दिख रहा है? 12 and 8, so this is the highest, right? And second lowest we can see this is 4, 3, 7 to 9. 7, this is 13, 23. 23, this is second lowest, right? This difference they want. 24 का है and sir 20 का है. 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer, sir. 4 is the answer, sir. My mistake. It was my mistake. It was. Okay. मैंने देखा नहीं, मैंने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा नहीं एक्चुअली. So last question of the day. Sir, again, I have done this question multiple times. Sir. Again, many people asks you to remember 3, 4, 5 formulas for this. I'm not one of them. मैं बोला नहीं भाई कुछ नहीं. Sir, this one. We know one formula. एक आपको चाहिए sir. That is A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Or you can write, sir, if I take this minus common, this one's. They are asking us to figure out this. Okay? This is given as 250. No worries, sir. Now, what I have and what I need, please understand. This conceptual clarity is very important in algebra. So this I know, sir. This I need to figure out. So what is the required thing? I need to figure out somehow the value of this. If I can figure this out, that is my job done. And that can be figured out from this. So using the formula, simple formula, sir. Simple formula, sir. If I take the whole square here, so it will become, sir, a square plus b square plus c square plus or plus twice of ab plus bc plus ca, sir. That is equal to, sir, 10 square, that is 100. So, sir, a square plus b square plus c square can be written as 100 minus twice of. Sir, put this value down over here. So again, sir, let's put it all down, sir. This was equal to 10 into. So this thing is equal to this thing, sir, 100. So now, minus twice of this, minus 1 of this. Meaning, say, 3 times of AB plus BC plus CA, can I write? That is 250, sir. 0, 0 gone, sir. So that means, sir, AB plus BC plus CA, if you can calculate 100 minus 70, like 25, 75 by 3, sir, 25. हो गया सर. So ये value कितना आएगा? 25 by 5. This value will be 25 by 5, which will be equal to, sir, 5. Option number A. Option number, sir, A. Option number, sir, A, sir. Everyone, any problem in this case? Any problem here, sir? Now again, I do not want you guys to remember 5, 6, 10 formulas for a simple expression. Only remember, if you can remember this, if once you write down, that will give you very clarity, like the biggest clarity of what is given and what you need to figure out. That clarity is very important, like especially when solving difficult questions. So again, this was clear everything. Perfect. So this was our small little session on the mock analysis of SSC CGL. So again, I'll again meet you guys tomorrow with the mock analysis of NTPC, this week's NTPC mock, and day after tomorrow onwards, complete 3 days back to back, we'll have practice sets, as we are doing for a few weeks now. So again, I hope, Ravi, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Again, I wish all of you, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you to for joining the session. Again, if you have liked the session, please do like it. Please do hit that like. And I'll again see you guys tomorrow with the NTPC mock. Till then, please take care. And if you have any doubts, anything, any suggestions, feedback, please feel free to write it down in the comment section. I'll reply from my personal ID as well. So again, thank you so much, everyone. Again, I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time with the NTPC mock. Till then, please take care. Bye-bye. Have a very good night.